Hey everyone, and welcome to today's program of Popsicle Stick Bird Feeders. So if you picked up a kit from Carnegie, you should have 50 very colorful popsicle sticks, a piece of yarn, and a glue stick. So for today's video, we're going to be using hot glue just because it dries faster, but the glue stick that is in your bags will work just fine. Okay, so I have my popsicle sticks here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by making our base. So you're gonna take one. Now I'm gonna take one of each color, but feel free, if you wanna do something different with your colors, go for it. Get as creative as you would like. But we are gonna need one of each. So this is going to be the bottom of your bird feeder. So you're gonna need 6 total, so you can make them all the same color, multicolor, or whatever you'd like. So what you're going to do is with the glue stick, you're gonna run the glue stick right along the edge. I'm just gonna put a couple, I'm gonna do a little bit with the hot glue here. And you're gonna stick it to the one next to it, just like that. And now I'm gonna repeat that and do that with each color so that they're all connected. So now that I have my base, I'm going to choose a color. So I'm gonna go for red. Again, you can get as creative as you'd like and switch up the colors. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take 2 popsicle sticks and I'm gonna end up gluing them like this so that we have our edges. And from here, we're going to build up to hold the bird seed in the middle. Make sure you push down so that your popsicle sticks stick together all nicely. So from here, I'm going to take 2 popsicle sticks to make a perch for the birds to stand on. I'm gonna pick blue because I feel like this will be a nice color for them to see. And these are going to be ones that stick out so that when the birds land, they can land here and be able to eat. So we're gonna put them towards the bottom so that the seed goes on top. Make sure you get good glue on here because this will be holding the weight of the bird. Okay, so from here, now you have the part where your bird is going to stand and your bottom where the feed goes. So now we're going to build up. So we're going to put one here and one here. So now this is the start of our walls. So now we're just going to continue to build up on the walls. So you can switch up the colors or you can go one color at a time. Okay, so when you get down to your last 2 sticks for the tops, what you're going to do is take your string that we gave you and you're going to put a little bit of glue on one side and stick it down and then glue it to the opposite side so that the bird feeder will hang straight. So it'll look like this. And then we're going to continue to put our last 2 pieces on. So when you're all finished, your completed project will look like this. And see how we have a beautiful rainbow. I went in the order of the rainbow, but you can switch it up and it can be all multicolored. So the next step is to put birdseed into the middle here and hang it on the tree.